Welcome to my review of Bitrix24, an all-in-one platform designed to help businesses manage their workflows more efficiently. Whether you're a small team or a large organization, Bitrix24 provides a comprehensive suite of tools for communication, task management, CRM, project collaboration, and more. First, let's take a look at the dashboard. Once you log in, you'll be greeted by a clean and user-friendly interface. The main menu is easily accessible, allowing you to navigate between different tools like tasks, projects, CRM, calendar, and more. You can customize the dashboard based on your needs, so you can focus on what's most important to you and your team. One of the key features of Bitrix24 is its task management system. Here, you can create tasks, assign them to team members, set deadlines, and track progress in real time. This is perfect for keeping everyone on the same page, especially for remote teams. Another standout feature is the project management capabilities. You can organize tasks into projects, view them on a Kanban board or Gantt chart, and ensure that everything stays on track. The integration with time tracking tools is also a huge plus for productivity and billing purposes. The CRM system in Bitrix24 is robust, offering tools to manage leads, track customer interactions, and generate reports. You can segment your contacts, automate workflows, and use email marketing tools to nurture leads and improve sales. This makes it a great choice for businesses that need a comprehensive solution for customer relationship management. Many useful links can be found in the description below. Bitrix24 also provides a chat and video call feature, which makes team communication simple and effective. Whether you're working on a quick task or having a full team meeting, everything can be done within the platform. You could also integrate Bitrix24 with other tools like Google Drive, Microsoft Office, and Slack, which adds to its versatility. As for mobile apps, Bitrix24 is apps for both Android and iOS, so you can stay connected and manage your tasks on the go. One of the main advantages of Bitrix24 is its pricing. The free version offers many useful features for small teams, and the paid plans are reasonably priced considering the breadth of tools available. Overall, Bitrix24 is an impressive all-in-one solution for businesses looking to improve their collaboration and productivity. If you're considering using Bitrix24 for your team, I recommend giving it a try. Don't forget to check the useful links in the description for more resources. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more reviews and tips.